Hey my dear friends, today I'll be talking about a staple food which is very useful and up to the 65% of the Indian people. Yes friends, today I'll be talking about the rice production and cultivation and business impact on the Indian GDP. So that is the rice. So friends, let's talk about the rice production in our India. Even if I say the second largest crop in our India, that is our rice. And first, if I say that is India is a first exporter, the first largest exporter from the India side, that is rice is being provided to another countries. Friends, the rice is the source for the livelihood of the farmers in the Indian population. So it's as I told you, the second largest crop in our India. But it is also that rice is cultivated in up to the 40 million land in hectares in our India. So as we know, the rice is a very special crop in our India. So that's why it is grown in all the states across the India. If I say about that, I'm living in here in Uttar Pradesh. It's a kind of state in our India, and you will be knowing the things that in India, the state Uttar Pradesh state is the on the third largest supplier for the rice cultivation and for rice provide. So friends, as the rice is grown in the entire state of the India, so if I say about the employment, that employment is being generated by the rice industry in our India. Up to the 20 million people are employed in this industry. Although the rice is cultivated in entire India, but if I say about the rural areas of our India, so it plays a significant role for the generation of the employment in specifically in the rural farmers. And if I say about the turnover, that is the relatively we can say about the Indian economy, that is 2.5 lakh crores every year is generated by the rice industries, and that's why it is called the largest revenue generating crop in our India, that is rice. Even the India is the largest, one of the largest exporter of the rice across the globe. Friends, the cultivation of the rice is, although it's very much in our India, but sometimes the price fluctuates in the market due to the other factors in the fluctuations in the market. So sometimes farmers face the challenges regarding the prices if they sell the rice in the market. So due to the market fluctuations, sometimes farmers also face such kind of challenges regarding the price change. Sometimes weather changes and climate changes affect the crops of the rice cultivation and its percentage yield in the value, in the quantity and value. Friends, as I told you that the climate change and the weather change also affect the crops yields of the rice yields and the cultivation as well. But some other challenges are also there regarding the prices and other factors due to the market fluctuations. But on the other hand, if I say the government initiatives are being taken for the protection of the rice cultivation, like the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is being given by the government to protect to support your rice cultivation and other cultivation of the crops as well. So many initiatives are being taken by the government, so that's why we can say the supportive. On other hand, we can say the irrigation facilities for the crops, various crops, not talking about the rice only. So various crops are being supported due to the many other management services being provided by the government, that is a kind of irrigation facilities and the management of the Fasal Bima Yojana. Once your crop gets ruined, the Bima and the scheme is being provided by the government, you will be helpful and a farmer will get the benefit. Why government giving the irrigation facilities and management of the Fasal Bima Yojana? Because the government also knows that the rice is a fast cultivation and it plays a vital role in the Indian economy. So that's why many kind of schemes are being given by the government. So friends, for this today in this video, that's all about the rice. I hope you understood the importance of the rice. In the next video, I'll be throwing and be detailing all the things regarding the rice businesses and its impact on the Indian GDP. So meet you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.